power, momentum, and one wrong move that's all it takes to turn an ordinary drive into a complete disaster. From overloaded trucks to runaway trains, these are the moments when control is lost and chaos takes over. A heavy semi-truck takes a corner too fast and tips over. The cargo shifts, metal bends, and in seconds, the driver's mistake becomes a mountain of wreckage. A tanker truck carrying oil loses control and flips over like a toy. The road turns slick. Smoke fills the air. And one spark could have lit up the whole highway. Sometimes, a second of caution saves millions. A truck driver ignores the power lines overhead and pays the price. The crane hits the wires, sparks fly, and a power pole explodes like a bomb. Drifting a truck. What is this? Fast and Furious. The driver slides around the corner like it's a stunt scene. One mistake in that trailer would have been history. What the hell is that driver thinking? The load is swinging, the balance is gone, and he's still pushing forward like nothing's wrong. Recovery gone wrong. They almost had the truck back on solid ground, but then the cable breaks. The vehicle plummets back into the ravine. A small car gets stuck on a railroad crossing. The train doesn't slow down. It tore through and shredded the car's front end like it was nothing. One glance both ways can save a life. Out of control and out of luck, a truck loses its brakes and slams straight into someone's house. Imagine relaxing at home when a 10-ton visitor arrives uninvited. Always check your brakes before the road checks you. This guy's taking a selfie by a moving train until his friend yanks him out of the way at the last second. One more step, and it would have been his last picture ever. A scooter rider rushes over a railroad crossing and barely escapes as the train roars by. A split second slower, and he'd be gone. A truck sinks deep into the mud. It takes a full excavator to pull it free. That's not a traffic jam, that's a mud trap. Know your terrain before you roll in. A fully loaded truck climbs a steep hill, then stalls and rolls backward into the ravine. You can feel the panic through the screen. The driver keeps pushing the engine long after it begs for mercy. Black clouds rise and the truck gives up before he does. This truck driver tilts the whole rig like he's performing a circus act. Cool to watch, insanely stupid to try. A train derails at high speed, steel twisting, dust flying, chaos everywhere. You can almost hear the ground shaking. This was supposed to be a controlled test, but the train keeps going, crushing the car into dust like it doesn't even exist. Two ships collide in the Welland Canal. Crews leap into the water as rescue teams rush in. Miraculously, no one's killed, but the pride of both captains sinks fast. Floodwaters sweep a ship downstream. It slams into a barrier and vanishes beneath the surface in seconds. Nature doesn't care how much your ship is worth. A woman's SUV gets stuck on the tracks. The train's coming fast. She jumps out just in time before it obliterates her car. That's not luck, that's instinct. A huge cargo ship crashes into a bridge pillar. Luckily, the bridge holds barely. 1 meter closer, and it could have been a total collapse. A truck backs up without checking what's behind. The crash is instant, but the driver manages to jump out at the last second. A truck's tire explodes at full speed on the highway. Luckily, the truck managed to stop safely. Checking your tires before a long trip is never a waste of time. Gravity doesn't play games. A logging truck carries too much weight, the front lifts off the ground, and the whole rig flips over. Respect the load, or it'll teach you the hard way. Look at that, this insane driver is trying to tow multiple cars at once. Luckily, the police arrived just in time to stop him. Driving in snow, bad idea. Sometimes, even the road fights back.
Tắt nó tỏ ra kìa. Tắt nó tỏ ra kìa. What the wish I change you in it?
Power without control is chaos. These moments prove one thing, no matter how strong the machine. One mistake is all it takes for everything to fall apart.